Good day and welcome to Empowerment Technology subject. My name is Teacher Judith and I'll be hosting this session. First, here are some terms we need to understand before we proceed with the lesson. ICT, or Information and Communications Technology, deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephone, internet, etc. to locate, save, send, and edit information. Empowerment technologies to create foundation in understanding the world of ICT. Understand and demonstrate the proper etiquette in using ICT and more. With the help of empowerment technologies, students will be able to understand the real value of technology, that with it, they can make their lives and future a better one. So here are some key questions. How dependent have we become on technology? Number 2, will our dependence on technology increase or decrease in the near future? And why? Number 3, as one of the dependents, what should we do then to keep up? So the current state of ICT, or Information and Communications Technology, has 3 recognizable generations: Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. So first, Web 1.0. This is the first stage of the World Wide Web. And here are some of its characteristics. It has static web pages and is also called the read-only web, or text-based. Email was the only feedback mechanism. So here's an example of a website that belongs to this generation. Next, Web 2.0. It started in 2004 and internet has become more interactive. It has dynamic pages and internet is available to everyone. Search engine and social media explosion. Examples are Friendster and MySpace. So here's an example of a user interface of Friendster during the generation of Web 2.0. Web 3.0 is described by Tim Berners-Lee, the father of World Wide Web, as the read, write, execute web, referred to as the semantic web or data-driven web content and response. Is to have machines or servers understand the user's preferences to be able to deliver web content specifically targeting the user. So here's an example of a Web 3.0 website. This is the dashboard of Wix.com, a site wherein you can create your own site and e-store. Technology convergence. It is an evolution of technological developments that merge into a new system, bringing together different types of applications and media. Assistive Media. It is a non-profit organization founded by David Harvey in Michigan in 1996. The organization was the first internet-based reading service for persons with visual and reading impairments. They produced and published voice-recorded written materials on cassettes, CDs, and the internet. So let's have a review. Number 1. ICT stands for. Number 2. 3 generations of ICT are. And number 3. The opposite of static pages are. Alright, thank you for accessing this activity and see you on the next lesson.